All right. It was my birthday last month, and what do you get a girl that has everything? I decided to get myself one of these. A lot of people have asked me in the past about them, and I've not been able to tell them because I'd never had one. I used to use a tile that had some suction things on the bottom that I moved around. This is actually a lot easier to move around. These little nylon feet here glide really easily on the bench, and the rubber ones hold it in place. So once your Thermomix is on here, it doesn't really go anywhere. With these little holes here, this is awesome because the feet sit in there. And it doesn't have those flange things that fly up here, which I know commercially somebody that I have their Thermomix walked up the side and fell off the bench. So having those wings on the side probably aren't a great option, but I mean that might have just been a one-off case. But your feet sit in here, and I've actually noticed that this doesn't move as much as what it does when it's straight on the bench, when it's kneading and doing things like that. So yeah, a good buy, I would say.